Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone, again. So, we are in the verge of finishing this course. We are left with the four classes. Means four days of our course is remaining. Now, the last portion, last part will be always the application of the vibronics. How we go about when we get a patient, we are getting some with a problem, how we analyze and how we declare what remedy to be given. So we will go in that approach because this last is all practical approach how we should do, and uh, mostly on 8th we'll conclude our thing, and 7th will be the examination. I'll be circulating uh, all the questions which will be asked. Okay. So along with the answers will be there, and just as you in the beginning you all filled the Google form, like that Google form will be there. Within no time, tuck tuck tuck, you will be able to click it, and so you with that, whichever is the practically application of these vibronics will be confirmed. Okay, nice. So today, if someone comes with a different problem, let us say that I am not getting uh, you know hunger. If someone says I am not getting proper hunger, then which system, because of our background of the all the physiology anatomy we studied, which system you should address? I am not feeling hunger. So what system it comes under? Broadly, there are again links to different system. We say this is the problem of digestive system. In digestive system, what are the we can say, we can directly, what are the our approaches? Approach is, first approach is the volume 3. As we said, we should always first start with a volume 3. Next question should be asked, what else you are feeling? Because generally, what if input is not okay, output is also not really a problem. Any, if you're not getting hunger, what else you are having problem? We have to see the tongue. If there is a thick coating on the tongue, there is a cough excess in the body. If there is a redness on the tongue, heat excess in the body. So if there is a crack and dry tongue, we can assume that there is a dryness in the body. So likewise, you have to make a, I'm going to do today afternoon, I will give you the case taking record, what all you should check, and based on that, if it is this one, then what remedy to be given. We'll do it. So when a person comes to you with and says, I am not getting hunger, you should address to the digestive system. What is the first level we can give the digestive, any digestive system? That is Soham digestion. Soham digestion number 18 will be the first remedy, because it covers all sort of digesting problem. That is a Soham mixture number 18. It's a wonderful one. See, it has got a liver balance, digestion balance, blood sugar balance, acidity mixture, constipation balance, and an anemia balance. All there, and they are in written for all digestive condition. Feeds all organ of alimentary tract and boost liver, pancreas, removes acid, boost condition of the blood. So it is on the name itself. Digestion is okay. Digestion, for the digestion we have to give digestion number 18. Soham digestion 18. So then you see at his face, if you think that there is a lack of nutrition, also you should think what else, what else we can do, what else we can change in him. And you have to ask, are you getting good sleep? Then he said, yes, I am getting good sleep. Then you no need to worry about other thing. No, I don't get good sleep. If they are telling, then you think about calming. Mixture number 6, you should think like that. Associated symptoms you have to dig. Keep on asking associated symptom. Okay, then if digestion 18 plus and you know that any hunger problem, again it addresses to liver. So then first level you can think about digestion 18. If you are in hurry, if that patient is in hurry, then you can give digestion 18 and give 3 times a day. In that one did I already mentioned. TDS, dosage is TDS. So if the requirement is more immediate, that recovery is required, you can give in the repeated doses also. Okay. Likewise, so after that you have to think about liver. Is already hint is given here, liver balance, digestion balance, and this other thing. We should give again mixture number 22 liver. Along with that, you can give liver also. And I said, if he is in a low in stamina, he is feeling weak, you should think about mixture number 63, that is backup. It is also called as a booster in some of the older books. And mixture number 90 is for nutrition. And finally, the Soham uplift is for the general used as a general tonic. And if the patient is above 50 years or 55 years, you can always think about heart, OM7 heart, because it has worked so long, 50 years, more than 50 years without taking rest. We should treat it, we should treat the muscles like that. So those are the associated. How you have to do? In one bottle, you give the main remedy. What is the main remedy here? Digestion 30. Soham digestion 30 in one bottle, and you can add the liver to that, mixture number 22. How you do? That is you are all very expert now, by now. So always use 336 rate, because they are more refined. More refined means not like oil. Means they have been thought very long time, means how to more perfect the vibronics. Like first the birth of base 10 took place, then they improved it to base 44, then again in base 44, I already keep telling you many times, base 10 has got a 36-degree error. Base 44 is got a 8.18 degree error, and in base 336 is derived on the direct number, so 0 error. So we should use 336 with that particular potency, and you can make those remedies in one bottle, digestion bottle. And another supporting system like backup, nutrition, and if he is not getting proper sleep, you can use mixture 28 sleep, insomnia, like that. Additionally, you can give, and you can tell them to give a little gap, just a 10 to 15 minutes gap, and you can give in 2 bottles. Water you have to give in the bottle. You can use the pure water, which has got at least the 3 months of expiry date. This all mineral water, you can say drinking water has got a 3 months of period. So likewise, we'll think, because we are at present we are thinking that we'll only use it for one week. So we can give from our water from our RO filter, we can give that. Drinkable water you can give given. Or if you think it should be taken for a more duration, you can buy a mineral water and just you charge that mineral water in a vessel. You will discuss, and you can give in 2 bottles. You can give one main is the Soham digestion, another one is the other backup remedies like backup and nutrition, digest and the uplift and other supporting remedies. And when actually here the drops are not at all accounted. If you take 30 ml at a one time, it is considered as a one dose. The amount of water doesn't have any importance here. That is a repetition only is very important. Okay. And I'm going to catch in this session, I'm going to give you which are surely I am able to give more than 80 to 90% result. Those we are discussing today. As you know, digestion is a common problem. अगर पेट खराब है तो पूरा so many things will come along with that. So now I'll take next one. Someone comes with they say the back pain. And back pain, see, you should ask where the back. Back means from here to the end of the coccyx. This is a complete spinal system. They call it a back. Okay, you ask them, where is the pain? So how you have to cover up the case or this problem. So most of the people, because they go to their own doctor, they struggle and they come back to you with the complete report. So as it is, we have another terms in our this one, that the patient should be under the observation of some doctor. Generally, because if they don't wish, then I want to have only the spiritual healing, not the routine doctor, then that is their choice. But you should ask what are the reports they are having. So in that one, it will very clearly mentioned that the bone degeneration, if it is there, then we have to see what you think is, if this total spinal cord is there, whole spinal cord is made up of what all the things. Spinal cord pain may be because of nerve, maybe because of bones, and maybe because of bone again the calcium metabolism, and if it is not proper. So likewise you have to think what is there in the, for example, if someone says I have a pain here, that is we have studied in our skeletal system, that is a cervical region. In our the Soham book, which one work for cervical region? That is OM4. So beautifully you can see OM4 cover what all the complaints of that particular area. Have got more than 90% result in this. You can only, I tell you, you can only handle the spinal cord, spinal system, spinal specialist, we can do that way, because our results are more than 70 to 80%, they are getting relief. So now you see cervical region, you see accessory nerves. Whatever the nerves are there, they are also covered in the OM cervical, and cervical discs, cervical nerve plexus here, and cervical vertebra, and trapezium muscles, and these muscles also they are covering in the cervical. So this area you already studied. If you don't remember, go back to that skeletal system and go through that, and once again you should keep on revising the things, so that it will be very easily you will be able to pick up. So this area, that is OM4, See, this is actually if someone comes with a back pain in the cervical, I'm not able to bend, not able to have a neck pain, and someone comes with a collar bone, collar we can say, collar they call, so they hold your neck up. In such cases, you have to give OM4. Along with that, what you give? He says general back pain, okay? So, mixture number back pain. Mixture number 38 is a back pain. So how you have to cover up? You should not see one extra you add and nothing is going to happen. If you don't add, which is very much required, that time the patient won't get result. So here what you do, okay, we saw the back pain, we are giving the back pain. Giving the back pain means back pain remedy, not the back pain. So back pain remedy, then see, what are they door in the back or cervical is made up of what? It's made up of bone. Okay. So if any bone irregularities are there, bone growth or bone decay, if you increase, want to good bone strength, what should be given? Bone eye. What is that is mixture number 3. Mixture number 3, bone eye. See how, so you have to see, first thing is, you have to see, go through this book and it is works on how you have to do, that way you should see, okay. All immediate injuries, bone, teeth, calcium, phosphorus balances, tremendous success has been achieved with this remedy. I have seen wonderful remedies, result with this remedy. Bone eye, in the cervical it is made up of bone, so you have to give bone eye. And again, bone, because of what the imbalance, it may go weak or become strong. Of course, there are in this one they are adding many ingredients like calcarea flour, calcarea phos, they are all adding it, and even bone, potentized bone also they are adding it. But another thing, if you want to give support for the quick healing, what you have to do? You have to give the mixture number 67, calcium mix you have to give. Calcium mix, like lack of calcium in the most body is lack of calcium because of strong antibiotic drugs, and while dealing with one, they destroy another. So, overuse of hormones, removal of reproductive organs like the hysterectomy, and giving a tense environment, poor quality of essential food. In such things, you can add additionally mixture number 67. As I said, in the digestive system, here also he has got the cervical region pain. See, cervical region pain. So you have to add pain also. Pain is mixture number 59. Mixture number 59, pain 10M. Pain 10M. Morphine, aconite, goicum, goico, gunpowder, pain, frobine, that is everything potentized allopathic medicine also, but in the third form. See, so cervical pain. So you have to add the OM4, and also general pain. Pain is, that is mixture number 59. And also you want to have a deeper action on again pain. You can have Soham pain also can be given. Okay. And all sort of pain, any pain which is generating in the body is all covered by the Soham 33. And in that, what all is mixed? Spasm, cramps, trigeminal neuralgia, gout mixture, sciatic mixture, and back pain. All pain, reason of the pain again added into Soham mixture, and that also can be given. And some intelligent people will ask me one question now. What the question? Already we have given the back pain, or already we are giving the some cramps, and pain mixture also is added here. Are we again supposed to give the Soham mixture pain? Yes, because it is we are dealing with the thought formation, form of the thought. Since the number is different, thought form is different. So, to infuse the thought in water, yes, if the number is different, the thought form is different, so we have to add. Even though you see, we already talked about the cervical OM4. If you think, again, what else can be given? Skeletal balance is there. Skeletal balance, in the balance, we have to see skeletal balance is there. Skeletal balance, you see skeletal balance. So, stress balance, liver balance, sinus balance, and circulation. Skeletal balance. Skeletal balance, it is specially for all joint, muscles, injuries, spine problem, arthritis, rheumatic and bone condition. So likewise, we added the OM4 and the pain number 59, mixture number 59, pain 10M. Then if assuming that bone has got a problem, bone I 200. For bone, again, what else is required? The calcium. Mixture number 67 is the calcium. So add that calcium so that अगर एक अच्छा पौधा उगने के लिए क्या चाहिए, or you can say to repair one system, what all we should add to it, what all you should give. Taking in the calcium in the raw form, or you can say in the crude form, it will go and deposit in some other places. But we are giving the thought form of the calcium so that anything you take, it get absorbed from that. So now, after giving those things, we can again come to the skeletal balance. Again, now if he says goes below, I got pain here also, and the lower back pain, lumbago that is called. So that time, we have already discussed in our skeletal physiology and anatomy classes, but still I will repeat, that is OM18 is for lower back pain. And OM31 and 32 and 33, they are all spinal remedies. So you go through that. I am talking about this OM4 is only this area. Dorsal area, there is another combination, another mixture, OM mixture, and OM18, OM31 and OM32, excellently they are covering. I am able to give more than 80 to 90% result. Even irrespective of different age limits. I must have told you many times, even the girl with 22, 23 years old has a severe back problem. And she is fine. And like that, a spinal system, we have got a wonderful results. So, you can, I tell you with a lot of confidence, you can say spinal clinic. You can say, where we, clinic in the sense, in the form, we spiritual healing centers for the spine. Spine spiritual healing center means you can frame your own words so that, see, if you are particular, just like that, then people will definitely approach. There are thousands of people having problem, not able to get the, not able to get the correct remedy. Multiple sclerosis, now I think so, I talked about spine. And another one remedy is there, that is Soham skeletal balance. That is Soham skeletal is called. Soham skeletal, we can, wonderful combination is a Soham skeletal because it covered almost everything of the spine. So I never miss a Soham skeletal. And I do by because I have made a 10 card, that 10 card machine. At a time I can insert 10 cards, and within 3 minutes all 10 will be vibration will be imprinted. For you, you have a limitation, so you can do by using either in the dial or using the card. See here, skeletal, Soham skeletal is so important. See, skeletal balance they are using, balance remedy. And OM1, OM1 also they are using here. You can see OM1 is blood. If blood is not correct, if you are correcting everything, then still you will not be able to achieve it. So OM4, OM18, OM31, 32, 33, calcium mix, circulation balance. Yes, they already added whatever I told. Everything is there. Again, the question is, you have to add those things also and this also. Okay. Now I think we complete the back problem, how to address with a back problem. And I think it is very clear. If you add, you can add whatever I said, add to this combination, more combination you can add into it, but you should not leave at least this. This is the must. Now, multiple sclerosis is a bone problem. I told you, in case of such diagnosed condition, how to go about. So first is this particular book is the blessing of Sai Baba. We got it, and healing is it is not the restricted to only group of people or everybody. I love Satya Sai. Okay, with his permission, I tell you that multiple sclerosis, how to handle. See, all horrible disease, incurable disease are there in this book. Now, let us see. Yes, multiple sclerosis is given, it is a 18.4. In 18.4, multiple sclerosis is given, and the 18.4, as already told you, I am upgrading the digital vibronics. Now with the single click, you will be able to generate the 18.4. We have completed up to 18.5 yesterday. Soon we will complete all those things, and definitely we will upgrade. Okay. So 18.4, how they are covering? What are the areas they are touching while curing the, or you can say treating the multiple sclerosis is number 18.4. Okay, 18.4. See, this is the multiple sclerosis. This is the skeletal system, and see what are added into it. For treating multiple sclerosis, they have added the 18.1, that is a nerve tonic. Brain disability, any nerve tonic, you can say nervous system, it is a, you can say general nerve problem can be tackled with the 18.1, and they use 20.1 as the skeletal muscle joints, and that is SMJ tonic, means the general muscular, skeletal and other joints, 20.1. So we are very happy to share with you that when you click 18.4, 20.1 and 18.1 and remaining will be automatically added into that whatever water you are keeping there. All your thoughts will be imprinted, different medicines thought will be imprinted into the water. You can use it as a remedy. So yeah, it's very easy. And again, it is direct approach from the disease wise approach. No, again in that what all will be there? You can see again with that. So what you do, multiple sclerosis, you give one remedy, one bottle. The another all, if it is due to, if it is in the female, give female 88.1. For female, we can give the other the supporting remedies. Like if male person is there, for his all main organs and endocrine, give 14.1. So if they have pain, give the pain. Any pain remedy, not the pain actually. So like that, we have to cover. If they are weak, they are not able to do anything. Their nerves are going weak. You give in the, we have already shown to you. We have already discussed with you. Additionally, we can give. Additionally, what are the best remedies in for the nerve in the biochemic? Give the Caliphos, Magnesia Phos, or you can say 5 phoses are the very wonderful remedies for all the nerve problem. So how you have to do? You all do it in a 3x. Make it with a card or make it with the dial. Okay. So those are very easily we can give the support. Please discuss with me if you have any cases, and I would like to address those challenging things. The whatever you are facing, I will help you to solve those particular problem. But share with me so that I have got so many ideas in my brain. I will be able to guide you, and without any drugs, with drugless way, we will be able to help that particular, address that particular problem. Okay. So next very important one is, which one I get frequent results are for sleep. Sleep I am getting, that also I am getting more than 80% results. So what are all the things if we not getting sleep? See, then what you have to do? He says I am not getting sleep. Then you should ask why you are not getting sleep. Then you say some thoughts keep coming to my mind and I am not able to. Generally it is like that. Then you can ask, do you have any tension? Like that you are asking. So generally some people will tell, but some people will not tell. But you have to assume that they are having the tension due to family problem or this problem or financial problem. So many problems everyone has. So they are worrying about it and not getting the sleep. So how your approach should be? You should think what all you have studied till now. What all you have studied, that you have studied batch remedies, you have studied the biochemical remedies, electrohomeopathic remedies, and so many other therapies we have already, electrohomeopathy, we studied everything. But you should be able to pinpoint in biochemistry what should be the remedy, Caliphos. In bat flower remedy, what should be the sleep remedy? That is white chestnut. White chestnut is repeated unwanted thought. When repeated unwanted thought stops, one gets sleep. So likewise, you have to think in a different therapy what we studied, and what's the best for a sleep and tranquility. What the best acupuncture point? DU20. DU20 at the exactly here, exactly this point, intersection of the middle line and the ears, both the side, I meet at this point. This is one most painless point and the most wonderful point for giving the tranquility. You can think about that also. And likewise, now we are only I'm talking about this volume 3. With this itself, I am able to achieve the more than 80% result in the sleeping problem. I mean, not having sleep problem, because excessive sleep also is another topic. We are dealing with that in the CC combo remedies, but I am talking about this. In this, whatever I am adding, excellently I am able to give, and even I produce the musical tunes of that also. I give people to have listen to them in the night once. So likewise, I only give this remedy in the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. If I give anything, any remedy 7, 8, 9, this is specially for sleep, getting the sleep. Okay. So what all I add into this? You can listen this because we are giving the recorded version, and you can listen it many times. See, for sleep, first thing is we have to give calming. You have to calm their mind first. So mixture number 6 to 6 we have to give. After that, what you have to give? Mixture number 28. In mixture number 28, sleep 200. They are already advising you that sleep 200 should be given along with the calming. So calming, and see, we find certain people after calming for sleep, the other who insist on the sleep pills. So maybe because of the name. So they no, you give me the sleep pills only. Calming is not sufficient for me. Like that they tell you. Okay. So for getting the good sleep, we have to use the sleep 200, calming 30, and what else? Where all in the book, where all what all the remedies are addressing to the sleep, not getting proper sleep. So here again, when you are going into the balance remedies, there are so many chapters. There are stress balance, or you can say hysteria balance, and because of what they are having the problem, you can address to that. See, otherwise I don't generally add the hysteria balance or stress balance. I don't add. So I add only the sleep mixture number 28, calming, and the Soham sleep CM, because yes, Soham sleep CM, in that one everything is there. Even they have added the potentized allopathic remedy, but we are not using anything. We in the thought form, we are using all sleep problem. This one, and Soham insomnia is the one remedy. There also it gives the suggestion of the profound relaxation and calming, and soothen your nervous system, like that it is given. And these 4 5 remedies only I add. With that, one gets a wonderful sleep, but I have seen that result, it will come after 10 15 days. After 15 days, taking it regularly, one gets the regular sleep. After that, once they start getting the sleep, they can stop this remedy, still they get the good sleep. So that's the beauty of this. And likewise, okay, then now we have covered the, and what else? One last remedy I add, that is tension 10 mm. Because why I add that? Name itself is a tension. With that tension, because of people not getting the sleep, is the main tension only. See, in tension remedy, everything they added on the psychological basis. So I'm reading those, whatever they are adding into the tension 10 mm, the hysteria balance, fear balance, and the BT mix, and brain tissue mix, stress balance, depression balance, or you can say bad temper mix also can be, heart balance, calming mixture, rescue plus, and walnut. All this adding into the tension 10 mm. So it gives all this wonderfully. One gives the sleep. So please, if I can do, you can definitely do. Your all machines are more powerful than mine. Okay, I use those which were left out. Left out means कोई लेके नहीं गया उसका वो लेके वो I am using for some days, and few are very old machines, but I have calibrated it with more more accuracy, and I taken more care about you whenever I am giving you. So ये पता नहीं कौन सा मशीन से काम करता होगा, उनको काम नहीं कर रहा, हमें नहीं करना है, no, nothing like that. It will definitely work. Your machines are more powerful than what I am. So imprinting the thought will be very easy with your machines. Okay, so now like that, so we have completed the sleep, the problem, means not getting sleep problem. Okay, now what else we can do is we can add the generally what we get the other problems are, I already told you many times. One more with a lot of confidence we can give is heel pain. Heel pain, see, we should know what is that terminology it is. Okay, people come with we have got a heel pain, and what are the symptom of that heel pain? The first soon they get up from the bed, the first foot they put into the ground, it will be so painful, they will not be able to walk. Few steps they will walk with a limping, and then after that they get used to it, and they can walk for a more time or more steps they can have. Again, as soon as they take rest and put their first step, that is heel pain. That heel pain like this, if these are the symptoms, that is the due to calcaneal spur. Calcaneus is the bottommost part of our the heel, the bone. There you get a spur. Spur in the sense a small growth. There will be needle-like growth on the bone. It may come due to the injury, or you can say lack of calcium, so many other reasons. For this, in the allopathic system, they struggle a lot. They put an injection there in the heel, they try to dissolve that particular area, and orthopedic chappals they use, they make a hole in the heel so that it is not going to, actually what is happening is the heel is like this, and then there is a small needle-like things coming from the bone, calcaneal. So when it is, the muscles and nerves are around your heel, there it goes and pinches and makes you painful. So in such cases, it is called as a calcaneal spur, also called as a plantar fasciitis, having the similar the symptoms. Now, please note it down. I think you will listen to this many times. I am getting you very good result, more than 80 to 90% I am getting excellent result in this heel pain. You can also, I can tell you, you can make a heel pain healing center, you can also give it, because I am having that much confidence that you will be able to tackle this with a wonderful this one. So with the confidence you can do. Try to minimize your this one, means you people should think that you are specialized in something. Do specialization, do work, do think, do read many more things about it, and try to focus on that particular area. So likewise, so we are able to address this plantar fasciitis and the calcaneal spur more than 80% success. Now we'll tell you, see, what are the ingredients? Bone is there, bone growth is there. What is the remedy? Remedy is bone 3. Bone 3. In that one, it is clearly mentioned that they also mentioned that it has got a tremendous effect. Tremendous success has been achieved with the Bone 200. That is mixture number 3. It may be used in any irregularity of bone, maybe be it overgrowth or weakness, crumbling, any condition which bone is involved. Okay, so very good. I am very, feeling so happy to disclose with you that it has got a tremendous effect. Many people only for this they brought their whole family to me for a consultation by doing this. Okay, that bone irregularity. First medicine is bone irregularity. Second one is a calcium mix. Calcium mix in our homeopathy, or you can say Vibronics. The beauty of this, if is excess, also that can be used. If it is a deficiency of the calcium, also can be used, and imbalance of the calcium also can be used. For that reason, mixture number 67 we are using. Okay, so next one is, now we got one more 100% beautiful tool, that the Nada Brahma. Because as I told you, even now I have added into my new machine, which is going to give along with the course, those who are opting for that. See, you can reverse that particular uh, uh, tune. You can say you can reverse that particular number. So not literally reversing it, but we are giving a thought to that particular number so that reduce this problem. So what I am using is, in our numerical mathematica, there is a number for plantar fasciitis. I am using those number and putting into Nada Brahma, putting in a reverse mode, sedate. When I put into sedate, that time the plantar fasciitis will be reduced from your body. This disease will reduce from your body. And calcaneal spur is also there in that book. So both things I used in the reverse format. But how I used to do before having this Nada Brahma, anything we want to reverse, if you are going more than 10 m potency, that means it will be reducing from our body. It will be balancing from our body. We are giving, what to supplement, because this is already told many times in my so many sessions. If we are giving 0 to 30 potency, it will supplement and balance. And from 30 to 50 m, generally what it does is, or you can say 30 to 10 m potency, it balances the things. More than 10 m to the 10 mm potency, it reduces it reduces and balances the system. So in the same way, in the Nada Brahma, that is classified into three layers. One is tonifying is from 0 to 30, and from 30 to 10 m is the balancing, and from the 10 m to 10 mm, that is whatever you are putting sedating, is as good as we are addressing the from 10 m to 10 mm, so that we all can be reduced and balanced. Okay, so calcaneal, I'll repeat once again: Bone mixture number 3, Bone OM Bone, see, that is mixture number 3, so it is easy to remember. Mixture number 3, Bone OM3. So even you see it beautifully balances the calcium metabolism. Okay, so injuries to any disorder, bone anywhere in the body will respond to this. As Mata Narayani told with her words, it is working. So with that calcaneal spur, and we add generally RA20, even rheumatoid arthritis, like RA24 also means mixture number 24. There is a in a card, there is a different, don't worry, you have to go through that word. Rheumatoid arthritis 200, then use along with that. If it is a painful, you can add the uh, pain mixture number 59 and even use a Soham pain, but they are in a different bottle because they when the patient's psychology also we should think. And I have got this much big problem, how that only one small bottle is going to heal me. There are such people, while taking the case taking, they will ask many doubt. If they have a many doubt, I will add another bottle and add few more little more consultation, add more consultation, then their doubt will be clear. Because only when high charges you do, that time the patient will have low doubt, no doubt, because you are so much charging from me, and I know that doctor is definitely going to, he has understood my problem and definitely he will help me, like that they will think. Okay, that's the thing. So we have to work on the psychology also, because placebo effect also is a very wonderful, because it has been proved, and scientific people still today they think that homeopathy works on the placebo effect. But there are so many theories we already got that it is not only that placebo means just to please, they given just a remedy to please. But if our vibronics and homeopathy is working only on the remedy to get please, how that animal is getting cured? We already shown you in my uh, our presentation that the cow was not able to get up from get up. This is a common problem in the animals. Not able to get up. They there only they decay and they get worms and they die. But when in such a low condition, they have taken the medicine. So again we can say that backup, nutrition, uplift, and the 12 tissue remedies, mixture number 12. If after giving these, so divine protection and removal of anxiety, that is a must, because nowadays most of our disease are nazar se aaya hua rehta hai. Bad the what you call bad nazar, बुरा नजर से आवा रहता है, कि you can say evil thoughts, evil ideas, evil thoughts से बहुत सारे आते हैं. So we have to use the divine protection and removal of anxiety, and to the every case which is very difficult to cure, I can say very having the deep problem, giving that within shortest period that cow got up and gave one more, means so become healthy, it gave a calf, bachda de diya, that to female calf. So it's a very great happiness to that owner of that cow, and he wanted to name that calf my surname. He was asking, what is your surname? I want to name that cow, because we thought it will never get up. We thought it is die. It is also Gir cow. The Gir cows are very costly here in all over, but it's all cost around 80,000 rupees plus. So he was very happy. So I am also very happy that one animal could be saved dying. Okay. Then the similar way, you can't say that our remedies are working on the placebo, but definitely it works on intention. There are a lot of research is going on the topic of intention, and recently yesterday also I was going through that thought is a frequency. That frequency, when you are putting into the water, that is only positive frequency, and we are going to help in this way. So where we are. So we can cure once of animal can be cured, and any so it is not a placebo. And plantar fasciitis we are already cured with this particular remedy. Additionally, we can give the no, if we have some other problem like no, maybe that remedy is covered in that, like that. Okay, then so we have covered the heel pain and other thing, and we covered the sleep also. And most frequently we are wonderfully we will be able to cure one more problem, that is the मुंह में छाले जो हो जाते हैं. It is a horrible problem. I have seen many people are suffering from that mouth ulcer. Mouth ulcer is a horrible problem because of so many even reasons, but here we are able to tackle it very easily. So even though Dr. Suvarna uses so many other homeopathic remedies for so many different the problem, but for mouth the mouth ulcer, she always comes to me and she says your mouth and gums works excellent, so I want to use it. So likewise, so it is works excellent for this mouth the mouth ulcer. Then what all we have to add in the mouth this mouth ulcer? Mouth ulcers can also be because of lack of nutrition. So mouth and gums in give in a one bottle, another bottle you give mixture number 63. It is no, you remember, you should remember always my patent remedy for all weak problem, weakness problem. All you can say boosting up the immunity. What all my remedy is the mixture number 63 and the mixture number 90, that is nutrition. Uplift. Uplift is what? Number the Swaham uplift. So these remedies plus if age is more than 50, 55, I add OM7 also for boosting the energy and works excellent. Again, I can't stop telling you one more story in this is one has a cancer last stage, and you know cancer there are so many other theories are there. You can boost up the immunity, you can give lot of nutrition and deworming theory, so many things are there. But and if someone come to me, what best I can do is I can boost his the nutrition. So I gave these remedies only, mixture number 63, 90 and uplift and OM heart. So after taking that, and he was given to the last stage for a palliative treatment, she recovered back little bit, she got the strength and again gone back to the home, and they said now she is not going to die so easily, you take her to home. They were shifted home. Then again anyone again I said, you know that I my general dialogue is that death is a mrityu bhumi, everyone has to die. Rama, Krishna, we pray them, we worship them as a god, but no person has gone directly from here to the Swarglok with some aeroplane. Pushpak Viman ke saath nahi gaye, where everyone has to die. So till their death, they should be happy, without pain, and without troubling others. That is our main idea. So likewise, so they recovered back, and again when the time came, say they departed. So likewise, no, we have a very wonderful story with this backup remedies. Okay, these things should be also given along with the mouth and gums, and also we can use a vitamin B complex is a common things we are using. So here we can say there are one more wonderful remedies like vitamin I complex. Yes, vitamin I compound, that also can be used for when you should think what are the remedies are there with us, what are the औजार कौन सा है, what are the what you call अस्त्र हमारे पास कौन सा है to tackle this particular issue. So likewise we have to think and decide on what we have to give. Okay, now the mouth and gums is over, and I'll see what else. Yes, one more wonderful remedy, wonderful the uh, healing we can do. One more wonderful disease we can tackle is the allergy. Allergy is a nasal allergy, getting a dust allergy, getting an allergy in the pollen grains, or you can say change of weather, they are getting the sneezing frequently. Probably I think so in North India it is, this problem is less. In the South India we have this type of problem, the here. So that wonderfully we can address to that particular problem, that is in particular in frequent sneezing and allergy. What is happening, what are the complaints we are facing? First is there will be a cold, and second thing there will be a sneezing, and cold and sneezing will be because of some allergy. Okay, so allergy is because of again we know that there is a that it comes under the tubercular miasm. Any allergies come under the tubercular miasm. So likewise we keep on going, and see about the miasm, in which book we will be available, how we will able to give the background remedy to that particular problem, is with the Bishwambar Das select remedy. Select remedy Bishwambar Das. I have added the PDF format also. Also I have given you the Android app link, so that you can check with every disease what is the background remedy to be given. For example, asthma. For asthma they are advising basilinum, and for a ringworm also basilinum. Likewise for the different the problem, which remedy to be to erase it from the miasm, उनका जड़ से निकालने के लिए कौन सा मेडिसिन देना चाहिए, वो विश्वंबर दास में लिखा हुआ है. Vishwambar Das, I always tell you, after this book, and I told you 80% of the problem we can tackle with this. What next? What is how we can do about 20%? See, most of my time I have the spend on telling about 20% how we have to tackle, by using different therapy, by using the acupuncture, by electropathy, like that. Okay, so after this book you have to first go to that Vishwambar Das only, and try to find out what are the single remedies they are using in the homeopathy, and make them with your machine and give them. You will get a wonderful result. And I tell you, don't get afraid anytime. Yeah, in your case, whatever thing you are stuck, please call me, so that I will tell you, I will guide you, and you will also will be able to get the result. And once you get the result, and your confidence will increase, and the thought infusing power will increase. There are so many doctors we have in the recording, that they are using since so many days 95% of the remedies. The very busy homeopathic doctor, 95% he is giving that the Vibronics remedy only. He is making everything. So likewise, so have confidence and discuss with me, and definitely it is a teamwork. See, I want to also take a part in your healing. Means when you heal, I also want to become a small part of it, so that I justify my existence. मेरा जिंदा रहने के लिए मेरे को एक वजह चाहिए. ओके, इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग. अब मैं बोला ये बड़ा बातें कर रहा है, बट थिंग इज आई रियली मीन इट. ओके, so please discuss with me, and no, we will be able to guide you in so where I was in allergy. So that is allergy. Okay, in allergy, no, allergy, what are the things we add in allergy? As I told you, cold 6x. एंड कई लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि स्नीजिंग को अंग्रेजी में क्या बोलते हैं, मीन्स मेडिकल टर्म में क्या बोलते हैं. Sneezing is also called a hay fever, and in hay fever chapter, when you go there, they have written very clearly that it covers the sneezing also. Okay, hay fever. Hay fever, we have a cold pills and basically running nose and sneezing in acute attack. The remedy is for sneezing. Hay fever means the sneezing. So cold 6x and the mixture number 19 hay fever, and mixture number 62 is the allergy B. Allergy B, if there is a sinus like thing accumulated. Now how do you recognize the sinus? You press here, because you have seen in our sinus the anatomy and physiology that where are the sinus spots, or you can say pits. So I already shown you in that chapter. You go and press here and see if those are painful. That is an indication that the sinuses are infected. There is a sinusitis. Okay, itis is there in the sinus. So you add sinuses also. And again, next is, if sinus is not affected, it is affected the lungs, then go to the allergy balance. In a balance remedy, there is a wonderful the remedy called allergy balance. Okay, allergy balance BR13, wonderfully, how beautifully it is covered. You can go through the ingredient part of it, and you will appreciate, like even cortisone and histamine and thymus, adrenaline, is all are there. We are giving all type of remedies, but not in the physical form. For making him all right, we give all in the thought form. Okay, adrenaline, cortisone is a steroid. Okay, but people, they get actual steroid when they get allergy. But here what we give? We are giving only thought energy, and we are able to handle the allergy. For example, BR13 is a allergy balance, and it affected your sinus system, give the sinus balance. If it is affecting your lungs, use the lung balance. So, and likewise with this, and you can also give the, as per Vishwambar Das, we can say basilinum is a remedy. Give basilinum in weekly doses made from our machine. We will be able to handle this all sort of allergy, all sort of allergies will be able to conquer beautifully. So definitely, तो एक बार वो 1 महीने के अंदर 1 महीने का मेडिसिन देंगे, दो मेडिसिन बना के देते हैं विथ अ थॉट फॉर्म. When they are taking it and regularly after 1 month, you will be very happy to listen to them that I am fine. बोलेंगे वो लोग, पक्का बोलेंगे कि I am not having that much problem as earlier. I want to continue like that. Our general method is, when they become all right, they can reduce the repetition. Instead of 3 times, they can take 2 times. Still better, they can take only 1 time, like that. And in case of basilinum, you are given 200 potency, raise the potency. And so likewise, we can tackle this allergy problem very successfully. And this rate also is more than 80%. Okay, sinuses problem and the headache. Sinuses, what are the sinuses? Sinusitis speciality, when they go in the sun, they become heat and they get a pain. And likewise, and they take bath and they get the pain. So these are all the symptom of the sinus, or you can say sinusitis. So you can tackle. We have wonderful remedy throughout our this book, saying the sinus 6x and sinus balance and OM sinus. All this can be given, and definitely we are going to address this sinusitis with allergy. Okay, so likewise, what else and as I already told you, the one more best method of the addressing the allergy is the blood potentization. Use the same blood of the person, and with his permission, take. When I already, there is a video in my YouTube channel, you can see how to potentize the blood. And that remedy, when potentized blood, because there is no any actual contact there, so with that potentized blood, the water, blood potentized water can be taken once a day, or only once a day is enough. It will reduce the allergy problem. As I already told you, someone was getting the non-vegetarian allergy, even having non-vegetarian allergy, but he want to take allergy. I mean non-vegetarian. So then said, you help me. Then I said what I already told you in my immunity lecture, immunity session. I took his blood and potentized it and gave him back. He is free from that allergy. Now he is thinking, he is eating everything, not getting the allergy. So yeah, how we believe, how we came to know, how I accumulated these many case histories is this is what we experience from those people. They say I am fine, and I have to believe. Earlier I was getting the allergy. Now I am fine. I don't have an allergy. Okay, do again check whether you have allergy. Say no, I checked. I am fine now. So this is what is accumulates, and your spiritual healing system. This vibronics definitely helps, that we came to know not we are not only one in this world, or a world in this India. Satya Sai people, they are doing wonders, and that too total free of cost they are doing. I salute their social service motivation, but it should not be restricted to only small group of people. So do seva what all whenever you get time. So I think we'll end here, because we have taken more than almost 1.5. It's coming to be 1.5 hours. So in afternoon I will make a case record how we can take systematically, and when we will use the repertory, Patak repertory we already seen. We will discuss with that. With every point, I will guide you what is to be done. Okay, so all the best. Again, try to attend, because we are coming to the end of this course. By end of this course, today again I will post the all pending videos. Okay, and there will be a lot of gap, and I think so on 7th we will be having the exam. For that we will give you supply of everything, whatever I taught you, same thing you will get, and mostly everything will be from same book, because it is mandatory. It's a mandatory as per the government norms for giving you the certification. But we'll discuss, and we'll provide you the all hints, and again we'll meet in the afternoon. Thank you very much. And these times only the practical approach to the disease. Okay. So how we the 4 5 the diseases whatever I told you, wonderfully we can handle those things, or you can say independently you can make the clinic, or you can say healing center for those particular objects only, with more than the 80 to 90% results. And again, think it over. So thank you so much. Again, we'll meet you in the uh, again afternoon. If anybody has any doubt, can you please tell me? Ask me if you have any doubt. Means out of this today, whatever I told you, and you can also I'll put the first this